Hi there, I'm John and I'm a Zenfolio expert, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your mobile and tablet friendly website. The templates available to you inside of your Zenfolio account have all been built with adaptive, dynamic design features and were developed with mobile users in mind first and foremost. Because of that, they work perfectly on tablets and phones right out of the box. But there are also other ways that you can further customize your website to make sure that you are delivering the perfect mobile experience to your clients and visitors. To this end, each block that you add to create the content on your website can be selected to appear on specific types of devices. In your web editor, when you click on a block you have placed on your website, one of the options available to configure is the Show On option. As you can see here, there are three possible options: computer or desktop, tablet, or mobile. When the blocks are added to your website, all of these options are initially enabled, which means that all of the blocks that you add to your website are visible by default on all devices. Clicking on one of the three options will cause the icon to be crossed out, which will make it so that that particular block is no longer visible on the selected device. This option is useful to ensure that your selected content displays correctly to a corresponding user type. For example, a landscape-oriented photo may look great on desktop and tablet devices. However, a portrait-oriented photo may work better for mobile devices. With that in mind, you can set it so that the block containing the landscape photo appears only on desktop and tablets, and you can then add another block in the same area of your website with a portrait photo and set this block to only appear on mobile devices.